Due to repeated failed attempt, your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. If you are facing this problem, tap and hold your application and then go to App Info. Then tap on Force Stop and then tap on OK. Go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Head to your Play Store and check for an update in your Snapchat. If there is not any, simply uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat app again. And next thing that you can try is to by opening your Google. Now right here, you'll search for Snapchat support. Then tap on Snapchat support, that is on the first suggestion. Tap on My account is compromised. Now wait for it to load. Then you have to select these options. In the first, you have to tap on I can't access my account. In the second, you should tap on I think my account was compromised. Then you have to go ahead and fill this form. Here, I'm filling mine own. In the description box, you have to describe your problem. Let me go ahead and write a demo for you. So you can copy the same thing, but my account has been temporarily locked or disabled for unusual activity as it displays in the notice. However, I have not done anything, so kindly review this problem. You can go ahead and copy paste the same thing or be creative on your own. Then just tap on submit. The Snapchat team will get back to you. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.